In this video, I want to give you a brief overview of the Janome 311pg. The PG is a great entry level to intermediate sewing machine, a first time sewing machine, or a good backup machine. It's a really good utility sewing machine made out of good quality working components. For the price and the value, it's a great machine. The 311pg, the threading on the machine is really easy. First of all, we have two spool pins, so if I want to use different size spools or if I want to do twin needle sewing, I'm able to do that. I do have the top winding bobbin here. My path to threading on this machine is really easy. Everything is channeled for me all the way down to the needle, and then it threads front to back through the needle. I do have extra high lift under the presser foot and a 3-point feed dog system here on the machine for feeding fabrics. It will have the snap-on, snap-off presser feet, so it's really easy to get presser feet and attachments for this machine. Ken Sewing Center carries everything made for the 311. We can help you with any accessory you have need of. The machine does have a removable accessory tray, and in there I have a place I can store all my items and keep everything organized nice and neat. You will get the metal front-loading bobbin case system on it. You take the bobbin case out and thread it and then reinsert it back into the machine. There's a diagram on the front of the machine to show you how to do that. We can help you with that as well. We have several technicians and educators to help you for the life that you own the machine. You will have a reverse here for doing your back tags. On the machine, we can easily pull up and adjust our stitches. Everything is on a layering system, so my first row of stitches here will do a straight stitch. I can move my needle over for putting in a zipper, cording, or piping. I have zigzag, and on the zigzag stitch I can regulate the width on the zigzag. I can regulate the stitch length on all the sewing stitches with the exception of the 4-step built-in buttonhole. I also do have the elastic stitch. I have a stretch blind hem and a standard left and a standard right tack blind hem on the machine. Our second row of stitches are what's called stretch stitches. On our pattern selector dial, I have this SS, that stands for stretch stitch. I can sew a double straight stitch, basically sewing 2 stitches forward and 1 reverse, automatically back tacking. For knits and stretchy material, that's a great stitch to have. Then I can move that needle over to the left. If I'm putting in a zipper in some stretch material, you'd want to use that. We do have the double zigzag. It's also known as the rick-rack stitch. This is a decorative stitch. You have a smocking stitch. And then I have 3 overcasting stitches on the machine for overcasting the edge of a material. Typically you find these 2 on sergers, and this is our blanket stitch for overcasting material. 311 will have lighting built in. It does come with the electronic foot control. The harder I press, the faster it's going to go. I can ease off of that to slow the machine down. And I do have a place on top of the machine here that I can screw down a metal seam guide if I want to get one of those to help me keep my fabric straight. Now let's sew on the 311, and I can show you just how easy and durable this machine is. The 311 will have quality working components in it. Here I'm going to sew on 8 layers of denim. That's roughly the side seam on a pair of denim blue jeans. Because I have that extra high lift on the presser foot, I can get the fabric where I need it, under the foot. Now we're going to put our stitch back to straight stitch, and we'll adjust our stitch length just a little bit. I'm going to sew about a medium speed. Now as I get to the end of that seam, I'm going to show you I can go down onto a lighter weight material. I'm going to go down onto this cotton. Then we're going to go to a stretch material. We have reverse here, the back tag. I've went from extreme heavy to a cotton to a stretch material, and I'm not having to adjust tensions. The tension system is very easy to set on this machine, as well as your bobbin case tension. Ken Sewing Center is your authorized Janome dealer. We carry all Janome models and accessories for them. With any machine you purchase from us, you have us for the life you own the machine. All you have to do is pick up the phone, give us a call, or drop us an email anytime. We have people at our store who will be glad to help you anytime.